Assalamu alaikum. May Almighty's blessings be upon all of us. Today I'm going to show you how to make Wazwan style Kashmiri Aab Gosht with chicken. Aab Gosht is usually made with mutton, but today I'm going to show you how we can make it with chicken. Aab Gosht or Doed is a mild curry. It's milk based curry. It's cooked in mild spices. So let's get started. For making this delicious curry, I have taken 2 cups of milk powder. This milk powder is used for this curry. Then I have taken chicken around 1 kg, oil around 3 tablespoons, ginger powder 1 teaspoon, fennel seed powder 1 teaspoon, 4 black cardamoms, 6 to 7 green cardamoms, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, cloves 3 and 2 cinnamon sticks, and I have taken salt. I have taken 2 teaspoons. We can adjust according to our taste. We start with frying up the chicken. So here in a cooking pan I have taken oil. I have heated it up, and then I'm adding half of the spices. I'll add 2 black cardamoms, few green cardamoms, cinnamon stick, and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 cloves, basically half of the whole spices. Then I'm going to add chicken. Here I will keep medium flame. First I'll keep high for a first few minutes. Then I'll add salt also here. I'll give it a good mix. I'll cover it and keep it on medium flame so the chicken gets fried and cooked. We'll keep checking on chicken too. Here you can see it has started to release its juices, so it will get cooked in it. Till then we'll keep milk ready for curry. Here I'll whisk milk powder in water. Here you can see you have to make sure there are no lumps in this. We have to whisk it properly, and then we have to start cooking it. We'll start cooking it on high flame. Here you can see, and we have to keep stirring it so that it doesn't curdle and it doesn't get stick to the bottom of the pan. So here this is the milk powder that we are cooking right now. So here you can see once it starts to boil, we'll add spices to it. We'll add remaining whole spices to it. After adding spices, we'll give it a good mix. And then we'll keep it on low flame. Till then we will check on chicken. So we have to cook these 2 things separately. So here as you can see, chicken has released its juices, and at this stage I'll keep now high flame because it should not get overcooked, it should not fall off bones. So at this stage I'll keep high flame till all the water it has released, it gets absorbed. Here you can see all the juices are absorbed. At this stage we will add ginger powder and fennel seed powder. Give it a good mix, and then add around 1.5 cup of water and bring it to boil. Now here as you can see it's boiling. So at this stage we will transfer this chicken to milk curry that we have already cooked. Here you can see. So we'll transfer the chicken to this milk curry. And I'm adding a tablespoon of ghee here for extra flavor. Here you can see. Give it a good mix and keep it on high flame for around 5 minutes till chicken gets the taste of milk curry. So here at this stage our Doed or chicken Aab Gosht is ready. You can check salt at this stage also. Now I'll turn off the flame and it's ready to be served. It's served with rice. It's very mild and loved by all. I hope you like the recipe. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.